Are you struggling to find the right words? What if you could click a button and let AI write your blog post, your ad copy, or even a job description in seconds? Today, we're testing Lek AI to see if it really makes writing that fast. Lek AI is an AI-powered writing assistant designed to help you generate content quickly and efficiently. Whether you need social media posts, blog articles, e-commerce product descriptions, or professional emails, Lek AI can create it in seconds, and it supports multiple languages. So in this video, we'll explore how Lek AI works, its key features, who would benefit most from it, potential areas for improvement, and whether it offers affiliate or API options. So let's dive in. Before trusting any tool, it's important to see what users are saying. Lek AI has received consistently positive feedback across platforms. Users generally mention that the app is easy to use, intuitive, and effective for generating content quickly. Many highlight how it can turn rough drafts or brief ideas into polished text, saving time and effort. Others note that it works well for multiple languages and supports a variety of writing tasks, from social media posts to blog articles and professional copy. Overall, the feedback suggests that Lek AI is a reliable and useful tool for anyone looking to streamline their writing workflow. Now that we know it has a strong user approval, let's move on to how it works and its key features. So let's start with the first standard feature, Lek AI's AI image generator. This tool lets you create images simply by typing in your imagination. You just enter a description, for example, a girl walking on the beach, then pick a style like natural, artistic, or cartoon, choose the quality, and select your resolution. Once you click generate, the AI creates a unique image based on your input in just seconds. This is perfect for content creators, marketers, or anyone who needs visuals quickly. Whether you're making a social media post, a blog illustration, or just exploring creative ideas, you can generate high-quality images without needing graphic design skills. The flexibility is impressive. You can tweak the style, quality, or resolution depending on your project needs, making it a powerful addition to Lek AI's suite of AI tools. Imagine being able to create custom visuals on the fly for any type of content. That's exactly what this feature delivers. So that was the feature of AI image generator. Now let's move on to custom prompt generation. Take full control of your AI outputs with custom commands. Simply fill out the form, type in what you want to generate, and watch the tool create tailored results in seconds. You can ask it anything from business ideas and creative content to fun prompts for social media. The system adapts to your input and delivers results in your chosen language. For example, you could type, "Give me 3 business name ideas for an ice cream shop," choose your output language, set the character limit from 0 to 800, and click generate. Instantly, the results appear below with accuracy feedback like 67%. Whether you need inspiration for a project or ideas for your next big venture, this feature makes the process fast, simple, and interactive. Just type generate and explore unlimited possibilities. You can experiment with different prompts, tweak your commands, and watch how the results change, making every idea unique and personalized. And that was the feature of AI custom prompt generation. Now let's talk about AI Chatbot Assistant. Meet your personal AI agent designed to assist you instantly with any questions or concerns, whether you need guidance, advice, or quick answers. The chatbot is available online 24/7, ready to help. Simply type your query and the AI responds in real time with accurate, helpful, and relevant information. It's perfect for customer support, learning, or getting instant assistance without waiting. The chatbot interface is user-friendly. Just start a conversation and it guides you step by step. You can also upgrade for advanced features like personalized responses, priority support, or more in-depth integrations tailored to your needs. With this AI agent, getting answers has never been easier. Just type, chat, and solve your problems efficiently. So who should use Lek AI? Here's my take. Content creators and freelancers. If you're writing blog posts, social posts, ad copy, YouTube descriptions, this tool can save you time. Small business owners and marketers. If you don't have a full writing team and you need to generate many formats in different languages, this fits. Students and academic users. While it's more targeted to marketing, copywriting, if you need to rephrase, generate ideas, or polish writing, it can help. And anyone working multi-language, because the language support is broader than many tools. But since no tool is perfect, here are a few areas I found where Lek AI could improve. First is word limit tiers and cost transparency. Then we have this affiliate integration and API. I couldn't easily find public documentation that Lek AI offers a developer API key for embedding into workflows or an affiliate partner program. And then we have this content quality control and platform consistency. And finally, the use case library is broad, but if you specialize in niche writing, it might lack specialized templates. These are not deal breakers, but worth noting depending on how you'll use it. So to wrap up overall, I think Lek AI is a very solid writing assistant tool, especially for content creators, marketers, and small teams who need to generate many formats of writing quickly. As always, with AI writing, you need to review, edit for accuracy or brand voice. So if you're a content creator or you run social media or content campaigns and you want to generate text fast, yes, give Lek AI a try. Start with a free tier and test a few use cases to see if the output quality and workflow fits you. If it works, move up to a paid plan. If you need more integration or you're producing extremely high volume content with automation, you may want to compare alternatives too. So if you want to try this tool out, I have included the link in the description below. And with that, that's the end of today's review. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful reviews. I'll see you in the next video.